In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display Microsoft Forms on your Wix website easily. Let's dive in and simplify this process together, step by step, making it seamless for you to integrate these two platforms. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Forms. Once there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. You'll be greeted by your dashboard displaying all your existing forms. Browse through your list and select the form you want to add to your Wix site. This is the form that's going to be displayed on your website, so make sure it's the right one and that it's all set up to collect the data you need. Next, with your selected form open, look towards the top right-hand corner of the interface and you'll find a button labeled Collect Responses. Go ahead and click on that. This is an essential step because it gives you options on how you'd like to share your form. When you click on Collect Responses, a new window will pop up with different sharing options. Here, you'll select the Embed option. The Embed feature provides you with HTML code, which is what we'll use to insert your form into Wix. Once you're in the Embed section, you'll see that you've been provided with an Embed code. Click on the Copy button to copy this code to your clipboard. It's a good idea to double check and ensure the whole code has been copied, as this will be what allows your form to be displayed seamlessly on your site. Now, let's shift over to Wix. Open up the Wix editor where your website resides. In the left-hand panel, there's an option called Add Elements. Click on that and it will expand a menu with various elements you can incorporate into your site. Now scroll down or navigate until you find something called Embed Code. Once you've located Embed Code, click on it and you'll see a few more options appear. In these options, you want to click Embed HTML. A new window will pop up where you can insert custom HTML code. Click inside this box where it says Code to bring your cursor there, and then right-click with your mouse or use the shortcut keys to paste the embed code you copied earlier from Microsoft Forms. After pasting your code, click on the Update button. This finalizes the addition of your Microsoft form to your Wix site. Give it just a moment to load, and congratulations! Your Microsoft form should now be visible on your Wix website seamlessly. Now, visitors to your site can interact with your form directly, allowing you to collect responses efficiently right on your web page. Thanks for following along today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, with a little practice, integrating different tools into your website can become a straightforward and rewarding process. Happy website building!